Imagine standing in the shadow of the monumental Eiffel Tower. This titan of iron and steel rises majestically against the skyline, an architectural marvel, its intricate latticework a feat of engineering precision. The tower stretches up, a beacon of human innovation and resilience piercing the clear, azure Parisian sky. It stands tall and proud, a symbol of France's rich history and global influence. Its form, a stunning union of functionality and aesthetic beauty, hails the dawning era of modern architecture. The details of the ironwork, meticulously crafted with mathematical precision, play in synchrony with the radiant sunbeams dancing off its metallic surface. The tower, a testament to man's relentless pursuit of progress, stands as a silent homage to its creator, Gustave Eiffel. As you move closer, you begin to feel dwarfed by its enormity. The tower's base, a solid foundation, anchors the structure firmly to the ground, while the four supporting pillars reach skyward, drawing your eyes upwards, towards its pinnacle. You're drawn to the anticipation of the ascent, to the thrill of the climb, to the promise of the view that awaits you. You step into the elevator, your heart pounding in rhythm with the whirring of the gears and the hum of the machinery. The doors close, and there's a moment of silence as you steel yourself for the journey upwards. Then, with a jolt, the elevator begins its ascent, the ground receding as you rise higher and higher, the cityscape of Paris revealing itself in gradual, awe-inspiring panorama below. As you approach the summit, your breath catches as the elevator slows. The doors open and you step out, greeted by a breathtaking 360-degree view of Paris. Your eyes scan the panoramic vista, taking in the sprawling cityscape. You see the river Seine snaking its way through the heart of the city, the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral standing out, and the Louvre Museum, home to the world-renowned Mona Lisa. The city is spread out like a beautiful patchwork quilt of history, culture, and life below you. As you ascend to its summit, your breath catches at the panoramic view of Paris spread out below. The reality of the moment sinks in. You are standing at the top of the Eiffel Tower, an icon of human achievement, surveying the city of love from its highest point. The experience is surreal, a testament to human ingenuity and elegance, leaving you in awe and admiration for the monumental achievement that is the Eiffel Tower. Next, find yourself wandering through the Bohemian streets of Montmartre, a neighborhood where art and culture are as vibrant as the colors of the sunset. Amidst this lively ambiance, the Grand Sacré-Cœur Basilica stands tall, its ornate architecture a sight to behold. What's a trip to Paris without visiting the Louvre Museum? Outside, the glass pyramid gleams under the sun, while inside, a world of art and history awaits. Brush shoulders with masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, and feel the weight of centuries in the museum's grand halls. Now, picture a leisurely stroll along the Seine River, the heartline of Paris. As you cross its historic bridges, the city's beauty unfurls around you. Take a moment to enjoy the riverside cafes, their delightful ambiance a quintessential Parisian experience. Finally, lose yourself in the grandeur of the Champs-Élysées. This renowned avenue buzzes with life, its high-end boutiques and exquisite cafes a testament to Parisian elegance. At its end, the imposing Arc de Triomphe stands, a symbol of triumph that adds to the city's allure.